If you want to reverse a video clip in DaVinci Resolve 20, whether you want a simple backward playback or a fast rewind effect, this tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Reversing a clip is a great way to create smooth transitions, dramatic moments, and more creative edits in your videos. And the best part is, once you learn it, it only takes a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the timeline where your clip is already placed. Find the video clip you want to reverse and click on it to select it. This is important because the reverse command will only apply to the clip you have selected. Once the clip is highlighted, right-click on it to open the menu. From here, choose Change Clip Speed. This option gives you access to several speed and direction controls for the clip. In the Change Clip Speed window, look for the box labeled Reverse Speed and check it. This tells DaVinci Resolve to play the clip from the end back to the beginning. After that, click Change to confirm your settings. As soon as you do that, your clip will now play in reverse on the timeline. Now, if you want a more visual and flexible method, there's another option called the Retime method. This is especially useful if you want to create a rewind effect at different speeds. To use it, select your clip and press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This opens the Retime controls directly on your clip in the timeline. You'll now see a small drop-down arrow next to the percentage value at the bottom of the clip. Click that arrow, and from the menu, select Rewind. This instantly changes the clip direction and allows you to reverse the motion. If you want the rewind to look more dramatic or faster, you can also choose a higher percentage, like 200%. That will make the clip play backward at double speed, creating a more energetic rewind effect. If you prefer a slower, smoother reverse, you can keep it at 100% or adjust it to match the style of your edit. The Retime method is especially helpful because it gives you more control over speed changes, while the Change Clip Speed method is the quickest way to reverse a clip completely. So if you just need the clip played backward, use Reverse Speed. If you want more creative control over the timing and feel, use the Retime controls and select Rewind. Either way, DaVinci Resolve 20 makes it very simple to reverse footage for music videos, cinematic edits, action replays, or any creative project. Once you get comfortable with these steps, you'll be able to reverse clips in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve tips, tricks, and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.